Alright guys, so we fixed the battery terminals. They were a little wonky and over tightened. You don't need to tighten them down that much to get them to stay. So I got the new voltage regulator in. Down there, I have the new alternator sitting in there. It's all wired up. And then I don't have the new belts on yet because these are fine, but we will put new belts on when it goes back up on the list. So for now, it's just going to be alternator, and we might mess with the kickdown if we figure it out. But other than that, gonna have to wait for parts to show up and then we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so we just fired it up just to see if it was charging, and like the first time it wasn't charging. So new voltage regulator is in, new alternators in, so we're gonna check wiring, check voltage at the voltage regulator, try to find our issue. Alright guys, so we tested for voltage at the field wires, and we're not getting the correct voltage, so we're going to have to go through wiring and figure out if one of the wires is bad or what our issue is, so we're not really sure. Alright, so we traced the wires, we tested for continuity, just to see if and we inspected the wires, didn't see anything visibly wrong with them, and then we were getting good readings, and we pulled the top off, and nothing was burnt, so we're not really sure what the issue is, so we're going to have to do some further digging.